Alright, this is Michael Frost, Spce 630, Section 813, under Professor Carrasquillo. Alright, I got my words cut in half. There's my timer. Timer is going. Non-experimental mental research that identifies relationship between variables. Correlational research. How long a behavior occurs. Duration. Number of responses per unit of time or frequency divided by unit of time rate. Improved functioning is determined by a measured improvement in observable behaviors to an amount that is meaningful clinical significance. SCRD, where criterion for reinforcement or behavior change is gradually altered over time, changing criterion design. Estimate of the occurrence of a behavior within a specified period of time. Pass. Extent to which the order of the conditions may impact the dependent variable. Pass. Type of SCRD, repeated introduction and removal of the independent variable within a participant target behavior. Pass. Okay, so 3 wrong. 5 I got. Changes in data that result from the novel environmental conditions associated with the onset of data collection. Pass. Amount of data from one phase that overlaps or occurs within the range of the data from another phase. Less overlap is representative by a stronger effect. Percentage of non-overlapping data points. Overlap. Research questions that evaluate the effectiveness of an independent variable at different levels or amounts. Pass. Degree to which an assessment measures what it's supposed to. Validity. Research question that evaluates whether a particular intervention works or the impact of the intervention. Pass. Captures all occurrences of behavior of interest during observation. Pass. Evaluates which intervention is more effective. Comparative research question. Quantifiable and observable events that are compared with known facts to form hypothesis. Pass. Measurement of the behavior taken before interventions are started. Baseline data. How many times the behavior occurs. Frequency. Number of trials required for some performance criterion to be met. Trials to criterion. Two-dimensional area that is formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines. Any point on the plane represents a specific relation between the two dimensions represented by the perpendicular lines. Line graph. Phenomenon of interest. Behavior to be changed. Outcome variable. Dependent variable. Two events shown to vary over repeated observations allows for estimates to be made about the future occurrence of the events. Pass. Type of research in which large groups of individuals are assigned to one of two group study conditions, and the differences are statistically analyzed. Between group research. Variation of momentary time sampling to record the behavior of a group. Count the number of people engaging in the behavior when the moment the interval ends. PLA check. Quantitative experimental approach in which participants serve as their own control, uses visual analysis of data. Single group research design. Single case research design. Non-experimental design includes two phases, A and B. Case study. Record occurrence if the target behavior occurs at any point during the interval. Partial interval time sampling. Degree to which an experiment is conducted effectively or evaluates the effects of the independent variable. No confounding variables. Internal validity. Type of instability in the data that represents a repeated pattern of data variability across time. Pass. Magnitude of change in level between the end of a phase and the beginning of a new phase. Pass. Alright. So it was day 5 correct, 2 incorrect. I'll get that scanned and uploaded.